So we have a crown boiler starting up. One means standby. It will start the sequence now. So we have new pilot assembly with a sensor, and once this starts, I want to know some readings of the board. So we're gonna go next to F flame. That shows FLA's flame. It shows 10.1, 10.7. We'll see what number it gets once it warms up. It changes as the time goes. We're going to concentrate on FLA on this specific crown boiler. So right now the temperature is about 120, and flame is reading 9.1. Boiler making more. Basically it stabilizes around 8. It's showing 8.45 microamp. Let's see what else we have. Just running cycles. So we're gonna leave it this mode. 8 means basically running. So the crown has this control board that actually reads microamps, and cannot be 2 or 3. It has to be higher than that, over 5. Sometimes cleaning the flame safety sensor helps. Sometimes it does not. Temperature is a little higher. Alright guys, thanks for watching.